Hello friends! Today we're taking a look at the new Opel Frontera Mild Hybrid 2026 with 145 horsepower. This is an all-new compact crossover that replaces the Crossland and features a modern design with the signature Opel Vizor front panel and striking LED lighting. Under the hood is a new 1.2-liter turbocharged engine paired with a 48-volt hybrid system and a modern 6-speed e-DCT automatic transmission. One of the most important technical improvements is the replacement of the previous wet timing belt with a reliable metal timing chain. The vehicle accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 9 seconds, while average fuel consumption is only around 5.2 liters per 100 kilometers. Inside, the crossover offers a digital interior, comfortable Intelli-Seats, a spacious cabin, and even a 7-seat version. The trunk provides 460 liters of cargo space, expanding to 1,600 liters with the rear seats folded down, making the Frontera one of the most practical vehicles in its class. If you're looking for a modern, economical, and family-friendly crossover with an automatic transmission, the new Opel Frontera Mild Hybrid is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.